for me to do. So long I've been waiting for you to come right in. And now that we are together, please make all my joys come over. Can you hear me now?
Again, say. Again. Once again, say. Hey. Girl, me want to come over and make me life bright. Cherry, oh baby, girl, and me and you tonight. Hold me in your arms and then you squeeze me so tight. No rush, no fuss, and me say everything right. Girl, you know me love you, me say bad, bad, bad. In a me arms, me say me glad and you me up. And when me hold you close, me girl, me can't get tired. Now leave me, me girl, because you know me woulda mad.
Can you hear me now?
Again, sing this song again. Patrice, make me sing again, cause me and your girl we coming from far. Can't make nobody come between this and one, yeah. Now make them mash we up and make we start war. Cherry, oh baby, say we love with this a song, yeah. Oh, mama, baby you so smooth, them just see off with a shaman. Head on me shoulder, rest it, yes, so if you want to cry. Busy this, me tell you no lie.
Oh baby, don't you know I'm in love with you? If you don't believe I do, then why don't you try me?
Again,
I'm never gonna let you down.
sing again.
And I'm never gonna make you frown. If you say you love me badly, then I would accept you gladly. Can you hear me now?
Tell the whole of them say. Cherry, baby girl, cherry, cherry, cherry.